Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore Figma's powerful prototype feature. Prototyping allows you to create interactive designs and user flows, making it an essential tool for UX or UI designers. So let's dive in. Prototyping in Figma lets you turn your static designs into interactive, clickable prototypes. This is great for testing user flows and presenting your designs to stakeholders. So let's start by opening a sample project. For example, here, I'm going to create a prototype, and we need multiple frames representing different screens or states of your app or website. So in my case, for example, this is a website, and I'm going to add a multiple frames right here so we can use the prototype. So I'll quickly set up a home screen, about section, contact us section, and we have also the portfolio title and the pricing. So these are all the samples. Now switch to prototype mode by clicking the prototype tab at the top right of the sidebar. To create an interaction, click on an element you want to make interactive. For example, here I'm going to select this image, and then you just have to click the blue circle to the frame that you want it to navigate to, as you can see here. And once you've created a connection, you can configure the interaction details. In the prototype panel, you can set the interaction type, like on click, and you can add some animations like instant or smart animate, and the transition direction like slide in, and let's set up on click interaction with a slide in animation. Figma also allows you to create overlays, which are great for modals, drop downs, and pops up. And as you can see, to create an overlay, connect an element, and then here you just have to select open overlay in the interaction details. And then you can adjust the position and backdrop settings as well. Now to preview your prototype, you just have to click the present button right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. And this will open a new window where you can interact with your design as if it were a real app or like a website. So let's click through our prototype and see how the interactions work. For example, here if we're going to click, so there you have it. And then the other one, the image, and there you go. So as you can see, we have just made some adjustments. Now sharing your prototype is easy in Figma. You just have to click on the share button in the top right corner, then select copy link to generate a shareable link. You can also adjust the link settings to control who can view or edit the prototype. So the tips and best practices that I'm going to recommend is, first, keep it simple. Focus on key interactions and avoid over-complicating your prototype. And use realistic content. Populate your prototype with realistic content to give a true sense of the final product. Last one, test early and often. Test your prototype regularly to catch any issues and gather feedback. So that's it. You've learned how to use Figma's prototype feature to create interactive designs. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.